guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As always, hope you guys had a fantastic day of trading today. As you can see with the portfolio, another very strong day in the markets, in the portfolio again, in the green of $850.16, representing 0.85% of my overall portfolio. And it did trend down ever so slightly in after hours trading here, $11.20. But you can see now the portfolio is sitting just above $101,412. So it's been having some very, very strong performance of late. Today, the markets also were all in the green today. All three major indices posting a positive return. S&P 500 was up 0.19%. The NASDAQ was up 0.21%. And the Dow 30 was up almost 21 points, 0.10%. And as I scroll through my portfolio, again, you can see most market sectors in the green today. A lot of stocks in the 1+% return range. You can see Target here coming back very strong after a very, very poor performance over the last year here, down 24.69%. But today, up 4.8%. You can see Ford there up 1.13%. We'll come back to Ford and talk about an ex-dividend date that is coming up. GM up 1.49%. International Paper IP 1.64%. ADM, again, another very strong day today, 1.17%. So you can see here a lot of stocks in the green here. Financials, BOFI, HBAN, MS, and WFC all in the green. Especially MS there, Morgan Stanley up 1.2%. So very, very strong market overall throughout every market sector in my portfolio at least. And as I mentioned here, Ford has an upcoming ex-dividend date. So just to remind you guys, I was going to do a dividend capture with SPHD today based on historical ex-dividend dates. There should have been an ex-dividend date coming up tomorrow. But however, I did not see that the company declared a dividend today. Typically, they declare a dividend one day before the ex-dividend date. So the ex-dividend date is definitely not going to be tomorrow on the 14th. They might come out tomorrow and declare a dividend, in which case the ex-dividend date will be on Monday. So I did not jump into the stock, was not confident if they are going to have an ex-dividend date coming up or not, have not seen any information. If any of you guys know about an upcoming ex-dividend date, please let me know. However, I think what I may do now is just simply jump into Ford. As you guys know, I love Ford. I've traded quite extensively with Ford. You can see here I still hold a very large holding of Ford. And it has an ex-dividend date coming up here. You can see in the middle here, Ford Motor Company today declared a dividend. Ex-dividend date will be on the 20th, which is Thursday of next week, with an ex-dividend date 2 days following that. It does not count the weekend, so the ex-dividend date will be on the 24th of July with a payment date on September 1st. And you can see all of this in the literature here attached to the Robinhood portfolio. So I think I'm going to jump into Ford. It's got a great dividend. It's currently showing as 4.946%, but with the decrease in the price over the last few months here, since the last ex-dividend date, the dividend yield is actually more closely to 5.3%. I think 5.33% is the exact number there. So I'm going to be holding and buying Ford here. If it dips down at all over the next day, I'm going to be buying that. Otherwise, I'm going to buy early next week here. You can see here it's already turned it up here quite nicely. Let's go to the 1 week graph. Over the last 1 week, it's already up 3.66%, and I think a lot of that has to do with the upcoming ex-dividend date. Again, it's a 5.33% annual dividend. The dividend will be 0.15 per share, so it's a very nice dividend. I think that'll be the better play. Again, I'm not quite sure when SPHD has an ex-dividend coming out. They did not declare today. Ford declared today, so I'm going to go ahead and do Ford instead of SPHD. And again, if I can't get out of Ford, more than happy to hold this for the longer term. As you guys can see here, I already have quite a large holding of Ford. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to cancel the SPHD dividend capture. Don't know quite when that ex-dividend date will be. They may declare it tomorrow, but any way, the dividend on Ford has been declared. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into Ford and pick up that dividend, both for a dividend capture strategy as well as a day or swing trade if I can. Actually, it'll be a swing trade because you have to hold it through the ex-dividend day. So as long as you buy before the 20th, so you can buy tomorrow the 14th or next week, 17th, 18th, or 19th, hold it until trading starts on the 20th, and then you can sell off at any time and still collect that great dividend with Ford here. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Again, Another very strong day in the markets, another very strong day with the portfolio, up another $850.16, now sitting just under $101,473. So very, very strong performance over the last, and you can see over the last week here as well, up 3.81% overall in the portfolio, $3,724.66. So very, very strong market, very strong portfolio, and I hope that continues moving forward. So just wanted to update you guys on the portfolio, how it's been doing over the last week here, as well as dividend capture. I'm going to be canceling the SPHD dividend capture just because there was no declaration today for the dividend. I'm not quite sure when that's going to be happening, but Ford did declare today, so I'm going to go ahead and jump into Ford next week. Again, the ex-dividend date is on the 20th. You have to pick up the stock before that, either tomorrow, Friday the 14th, otherwise Monday the 17th, Tuesday the 18th, or Wednesday the 19th, and then hold until the start of trading on the 20th, and then you can sell on the 20th or thereafter and still get the dividend for a great dividend capture with Ford, and maybe even a nice swing trade as well. So that's what's happening in my portfolio. Let me know if you guys are doing anything similar. And yeah, kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate your support. We are getting very, very close to 10,000 subscribers, which is absolutely phenomenal. Extremely happy about that. I want to thank you guys for all of your support. And again, if you guys have any good questions, let me know in the comment threads down below, either about this video, other videos, or just about investing in general. I'm always looking for new videos, new video topics, new stocks to take a look at. So just let me know what you think. With my portfolio, with your portfolio, stocks in general, investing questions, always looking for new material to read up on. And again, the whole point of this video series is to learn about investing. So I want you guys to learn. I'm learning a ton. I'm having a lot of fun putting out these videos, so I'd like to continue doing that. So again, any good input, any good stocks, trading strategies, anything at all, let me know. So yeah, kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.